I was recording.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, let's see if we can do it. Okay, class. So, okay, class. This is the second handout that I am giving you on sentence fragments, comma splices, and fused sentences. This is the material that is in my book. I just, the book which is called A Blueprint for Sentence Variety. And I just took the material and I put it on a Word document so that it is bigger and easier to read. Okay? So the document has 3 parts on sentence fragments, comma splices, and fused sentences. And the definition of a sentence fragment, I fixed it because last time it was a little confusing. A sentence fragment is a group of words with a capital letter and a period that either does not have a subject or verb, and if it has a subject and verb, it does not express a complete thought. It does not express a complete thought. Okay? And there are 5 types of fragments that I was able to group together. So these are the 5 types. And now, like last time, I want to ask you to read so that we look at it, okay? We are going to read the sentences on the right side that have mistakes, and then on the left side, we will just look at the solutions because they are the same sentences. They are the same sentences, okay? All right. So I need one more volunteer. I need someone to sit on the computer and to scroll so that I don't have to go back to the computer and scroll. All right. So Cindy will do that. Thank you. So then we can start with Florinda and reading, okay? And we'll go the same way as before. So if we can scroll, Cindy, so that we can look at very nice, very nice. Florinda, please read these sentences.
Okay. Something happened to her years ago. Something that she refused to talk about. She said she would come over around, but as soon as she finished her homework, they asked if we could babysit of them on Friday, which was okay with me. If you don't feel like working on that project after you come out working tomorrow, we can work on it on Saturday.
Very good. And these are what kind of fragments? Dependent clause fragments. All of them are clauses because all of them have subjects and verbs. I thought it was mine. Okay, one more. We circle the subject and underline the verb twice. But all of them also have these things that we call what? What do we call these words?
The preposition?
No, they're not prepositions.
Subordinate conjunction.
Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. Because they have a subject and verb. Yeah. And so, when we have sentence fragments, I mentioned before that what we have to do is connect the sentence fragment to a complete sentence. To a complete sentence. The sentence can be the one before, or in this case, it has to be to the next sentence. Okay? So the complete sentence can be before or it can be after. And so you can see on the first example here that the fragment has been joined to the independent clause by putting the word that. And that's a subordinating conjunction. And so the difference is that the period is gone, the capital letter is gone. We have a small letter, and we just join the fragment to the complete sentence. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so in this second example, Gregoria, what solution was employed here to join the fragment, or not to join? In this case, it is not join, huh? What is the solution? How was the problem? How was this problem solved here? Can you see that? Maybe not. I didn't see. Do you see it?
Yes. The period
Yes. Yes.
and after capital.
So it's the same period here, huh? It's the
Yes.
same period. But now the fragment has a subject and a verb.
Yes.
Subject and a verb. Do you see it now, Gregoria? Okay, very good. Okay, now this is the second example. Okay? And in this example, Beatriz, what is the difference between this and this? There's no difference? Yeah, it's different.
Yes.
If you look at this, and if you look at this is one sentence. This is one sentence. This is a sentence plus a sentence fragment.
You took off the
period.
The period?
Take out the period.
Yes, I took out the period, and then I just put this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did I put a comma?
No.
No.
No. The subordinating conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, so we don't need a comma. Here we did because this is kind of repeats. Yeah, and that's why. Okay, but now in this example, Daniela, it's the same one. No. Here, it's the same sentence, right?
Okay.
But this is a different solution. So this solution, how is that different?
They put the word she.
Hmm?
She put she and
Yes,
Subject and verb.
a subject and a verb. It
So
turned
sentences.
the fragment
did
um,
and an infinitive verb. After.
into a separate sentence. Huh?
Yes, separate
Yeah.
sentences.
I was looking whether I could have taken this off and put a capital letter like this. She finished her homework.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
But would that work?
Needs to finish.
She said she would come over around 4 p.m.
No.
It doesn't, huh?
No.
It seems unrelated.
yeah.
She finished her homework.
No.
So,
So maybe when?
yeah, by putting she needed to finish, that makes
Oh, yeah.
that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay?
What about if we put when instead as soon as she finished her homework?
That would be equal. Same thing. Same thing.
We can work.
It's just another subordinating conjunction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so Guadalupe. This is this example. The fragment is at the beginning, and so how was the problem resolved here?
With what is that? The comma? And
Yes.
a dash?
A semicolon. Is that
Although it looks like a semicolon, but it's not.
Semicolon.
It's not.
It's a
Cindy, can you highlight this comma? Can you highlight that comma?
It's a comma.
It's a comma or semicolon?
Okay. No, it's not a semicolon. It's not a semicolon.
Semicolon.
But in my computer,
Yeah,
here's how to take it out. There's this right.